Not me starting this vlog without an intro. Hey guys, Marycolette here. Not here as in on your screen, but very much here as in on my bed, looking like a bomb, voicing this under my duvet. Hey guys, how you doing? In case you were wondering, this is Mo's playlist in collaboration with Johnny Walker. Mo's playlist is a live event where my friend Moni handpicks rising artists to come showcase their talent accompanied by a live band. And first up is Debbie Romeo. If I do say so myself, if I do say so myself, if I do say so myself.
It's my girlfriend now. It's my girlfriend now.
She is for the night.
Well, let's be honest.
Take her away.
It's my girlfriend now.
Let's get one more round of applause for Debbie fucking Romeo. Man, see, you people should beg Debbie to do musical. She sings, but she's not an artist. Most you people buy her music.
Just come. Y'all come with me tonight, please. Just pardon me for tonight. Pardon me for tonight.
Hi, Marycolette YouTube channel. Make sure you follow, subscribe, like, and comment.
Reach for breathing, I like my spliff, and I'm breathing inside these scripts. We get eager to climb these cliffs to the top. Like, yeah, we got this. Believe it, like flying pigs, we are breathing at fire quick. Yeah, we dragons in the studio. Snappy like a Julio. Keeping the vibe of kings. Fight like a Mike Tyson, fire like a Mike Jack. And spike up when I write rhymes, and spike get a fight back. Recline at night time for 5 minutes and I'm back. To try kid him when I rap, we might sit him in a bag. Give me the money and give me the keys to the safe. We live in abundance, but still we can dream in the days. Where we get that.
What you want, you got this money, big money, so what's more? I go big like that, this, yes, what it is. You know, I'll go 50-50, yes, what it is. Me, I like money, and this girl like me, in a convoy every day. You know, the body money, I did not tell you. One in the midnight with the reason, and I don't cut the right to just what belongs to Caesar, to Caesar. See you finish, they go finish your whiskey, they go finish your sweet, shakaraka, they go finish your cigar, they go finish your lava, shakaraka, let me hear you say, yeah, come on, yeah, shakaraka, party for a little bit before we go home. I didn't really plan to after party. I know I should have. Y'all keep asking the most, y'all stop closing. Go home, they stop you at 12 o'clock. After that, they stop you, my love lady. Stop you, I want it. Hey, no, yeah, Marycolette, look for. Yeah.
Good morning guys, actually afternoon, what am I even saying? So today is, what is today again? Today is Monday. No, today is not Monday, today is Wednesday. Oh my god, that is exactly how you know that I have not been very active. I have just been in this house editing, replying mails and just whatnot. Like literally haven't stepped out of this house since the weekend. The weekend was actually quite eventful. I went to the mainland to see my mom and my auntie. My auntie just came back from South Africa and I had to go see her, so I just kind of killed two birds with one stone. Anyway, today I am on my way to Zoya Hair's place. So this lady called Zoya Hair reached out to me on Instagram, wanted to do like a collab for like her hair brand. So I am just on my way to her. I think she's going to be doing a wig install for me. This is the first time someone is going to be laying wig on my head, and I'm very excited. I'm looking forward to seeing what she does and, you know, what her hair looks like and all that good stuff. So let's go to that. My Uber is already downstairs, so let's go before he starts calling me to... Hey, has he cancelled the trip? Okay, he hasn't. All right, let's go, guys. Bye, see ya.
They do not want smoke with us. They do not want smoke with us.
We've been slowing down, slick is showing down. We've been slowing, this shit going down, it's going down.
It's my first time getting installed and I'm excited.
Van Gogh missing some lost artists, tripping when the Van Gogh missing they soft targets. Crummy like the panko sticking, the clock started a lot harder. Keeping up, we's a block father. Sketch you out like you want Archer. See the store, give them more, Cabramatta out to Coffs Harbour.
They do not want smoke with us. They do not want smoke with us.
Guys, so I am done and get into this. Like, I haven't even done my makeup yet and I look this good. Oh my gosh. I'm just going to do my makeup and check back in with you guys. What lace, for real? Okay.
Tired of the way that you feel. Is it real? Tired of the way that you feel. Is it real?
Oh my gosh, I look so good. Girl, you are fine as hell. Okay, all done. I look like a body.
It's the lullaby straight till the morning.
Hey guys, is my mic plugged? Okay, awesome. So today is a new day. Actually, today has been a very emotional. I feel like I'm an emotional wreck today, and I think it's because it's about to be that time of the month. Anywho, so today is a new day. I will be creating content for Real Foods on my Instagram today, and I am just about to get dressed. Guys, I look a wreck. The lady that helps me install my hair basically told me not to, you know, take it off. Apparently people sleep with installs. I did not know. This is like those days of leave outs all over again, where you go and sew your darling yaki on your head. I slept with a silk scarf and a hair bonnet. Oh my gosh, if NEPA takes this light one more time. Anyway, I'm about to get ready to basically go out and shoot. First things first, obviously I need to do my makeup, and the huge tray of food just got delivered. Like, super excited. Shooting for a food brand, love it. So yes guys, I am just going to do my makeup.
Time to cry when the day's filled. But when the lights turn low and there's no one here, can I shed a tear? Can you?
Hey guys, the way I just be switching up on you guys from house girl to bad bitch. Anyway, so I'm dressed now. I am on my way. I've got the goods and I'm on my way to where I am going to shoot today's content. So I'll see you guys there.
Oh, so baby, can you love me? I really want that lullaby. So love my body, lullaby me, you love my body. Ooh, so baby, can you love? Yeah, I really want that lullaby.
Hey guys, so I'm sure this is probably the shittiest vlog ever because everything is just anyhow. But anyway, I am on my way to Johnny Drille's listening party. He has an album coming out in very soon basically, and Ilo is hosting the listening party today. Literally just touched up my makeup, you know, just so it looks like a bit, just so I look like it, just so I look a bit like a human being. Yes, let's go for Johnny Drille's listening party at Film House, Lagos.
Hey
host.
What's good?
There he is. Show us your face. Show us your face.
How many faces?
Show us your
oh, so baby, can you love it? I really want that lullaby. So love my body, lullaby me, love my body. Ooh, so baby, can you love? Yeah, I really want that lullaby. Yeah. Let me know, why you always so tired.
Before we fall asleep, this is a special night. And if you're excited to be here, let me just hear a very mellow scream, not too loud, not too loud. Come on, come on, man. Come on. That's it. If you love Johnny Drille, put your hands together. Yes, because we are here for JT. I'm so excited, and I feel so happy and so privileged to be doing this. My name is Ilo with the flow, and I just know that everyone who's here is a huge fan of Johnny Drille and a huge lover of his music and what he does. And so I want the energy in here tonight to be rooftoping, to blow out the entire place. Like, people must know that something's happening here. Do you know what I'm talking about? Yeah. Like, Johnny must come in here and feel the love. Do you know what I'm talking about? So are you ready?
yes!
That energy is blowing out. Are you ready?
Yes!
That's what I'm talking about. Yes. It's about to be a vibe up in here. I'm super duper excited.
You're so much more. You've been hiding in yourself for way too long. Come out of the darkness, girl, come see the sun. You have to put you first. You're so much more.
Oh, what a song. That song is amazing, and the message it passes is so powerful and so strong.
Yes!
Shouts to all the melanin girls in the house!
Girl, you make me complete, but you're still there for me. So now you're the one, my dear. Only one for the rest of our lives. You are gonna love till the end of time. For your love, I can do it for your love. I want to make you my love. I do it right for your love. I do this thing for your love. Until you creep in your love. Girl, do something for me. I want you to
legendary.
Yeah.
And then for Johnny to team up with Star Plus. No, it's a madness now, it's a madness.
That's what we're talking about.
Alright, so I want to talk to y'all real quick. Can I get a mic? I want to speak to a couple of people, and I want you to tell me your very first experience of Johnny Drille. When was the first time you ever came across Johnny's music? I'm gonna come to you if they don't bring out the mic. I'm coming, baby. Please. Let's cue the music. Yeah, everyone with your flashlights like this. Come on. That's it. So as we listen to the music, we just wave. I want Johnny to see this and have goosebumps wherever he is. I know that people love him out here. Let's hit it in the light. Come on, let's go.
Coming to the light.
Come on, sing along if you know the song.
Loving is harder than they show you. You'll never know until you're bruised and burned. For hours in the beer bar, all of them making a left down turn.
So tell me, Sister Elizabeth, is it true that you have chosen to lay off your robes for this young man?
I know not what he speaks of.
Big shouts to the team. Yes! Wow. Amazing. Amazing. Okay, Johnny. I don't want to talk. I want you to address them first. Just take the floor before we get into it and address your people. How you guys feeling tonight?
Oh my god. Oh my god. I've been backstage. I've been listening. I've been hearing people scream and all that, but I couldn't see you guys. So can you turn the lights on? I need to see their lovely faces. I need to see their faces. Yes. Thank you so much, guys, for coming. I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. What's the time right now? 9:21. So what's that? That is 2 hours and.
2 hours 39 minutes.
Oh wow, you're very good at math. 2 hours 39 minutes to the album, and very happy to see you guys. Thank you for coming. Thank you,
Johnny.
Yes, sir.
You look great, man.
Thank you. Thank you.
You look great. Doesn't he look great?
Stay with the theme of before we fall asleep.
I love it. When you think about the fact that I am here now, like I've gone from a guy that had interest in music to a guy that has made music, grown a fan base, I have people who love me, and now I have an entire album. How do you feel? Like when you think about that, how do you feel? Where are you mentally with all that?
It's very difficult to describe sometimes. It almost feels surreal, and I mean that in every way.
Johnny's just gonna walk you all through the album. Johnny, it's been an honor. The floor is yours, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Johnny Drille, people, Johnny Drille.
Ready?
Yeah. Bye.
To be better? No. To be great. And these last few months I've pushed even harder, and now it's clearer than ever. The
I'd love to do one more song, but my voice is pretty much going at this point. So, before I go, I'd just like to introduce you guys to someone very beautiful, Ira Star. Ira Star, Ira Star, Ira Star.
Hello, everyone.
Tell me, baby, don't lie. What is on your mind? What's the information? Show me what you're made of. Maybe you want to make your body love me. You don't teach me how to love you no more. I will figure it out by myself. Make some noise for Iron Star, ladies and gentlemen.
What's a beautiful day? Whenever I see your face, throw my worries away. As I hold you in my arms, how happy you make me feel. You feel perfectly with me, baby.
Someone reached out to me and said he had something special he wanted to say tonight. I wanted to be a part of that tonight. His name is Prince. Prince, over to you. When the album drops at midnight, on your Mac, get set, stream the heck out of it. Love you guys, thank you so much. I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Let me know,
Now by the grace of God and inshallah. Guys, we need to actually catch up. We have a lot to talk about. I am just sorting out laundry. I actually have like quite a lot of laundry to do. I've put the first batch in the machine. While that is washing, I thought I should just quickly come catch up with you guys, let you guys know what's been going on, you know, since the last time we spoke. So let's do that. So since the last time we spoke, which was Johnny's listening party, it was actually such an amazing event. I actually got home and I was listening and I realized that I was on the album. So what happened was, sometime in March, he invited Ilo and I to his studio and just wanted to talk to us about relationships. You know, at the time, we didn't really know what he wanted to use it for. I mean, obviously, like, Johnny is our guy and everything, but like, You realize I'm recording?
Well, I didn't know.
You're making noise.
Alright.
Alright, so exist quietly.
Yes, ma'am.
A fragment of the whole conversation ended up in track 7. Track 7 is called Before I Let Go. Let me play it for you guys. I'm just gonna play my part.
Not saying the truth or not telling someone the complete truth because we're trying to spare the person from being hurt, knowing that you had the chance to be honest but you weren't. That actually hurts more.
I was speaking facts, okay, you know, based on personal experience and just basically life. If you didn't hear it properly, go listen to Before We Fall Asleep by Johnny Drille. When you get to track 7, at the end, if you hear a voice, it's your girls. Yes, guys, that's that about that album. I would go check on my laundry and get breakfast. So I made creamy pasta last night.
The creamiest pasta on planet Earth.
Was it creamiest? Would you say?
Oh my gosh, it was so good.
It was good, but I don't think it was that creamy actually, because you could have done with more cream.
See what I'm saying? What do you mean by I could have done with more cream? Let me even comment and see your video.
Finally!
But no, honestly, can y'all believe?
We've been hearing your voice and didn't see your face.
Well, can y'all believe that this goddess, this superstar, ever doubted herself? This babe is literally one of the most talented, one of the most amazing people I know. When we started YouTube, we only had our phone, right?
Yeah.
And she was determined to get a camera, to get a lens, to like do so much more. Like, you've been with us on the entire journey and she has done it. You have done it. You have done it.
It would have been very easy to start and then stop. Like if I didn't have someone to always like push and just tell me to keep going and remind me to save up for that camera and stop buying clothes. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
So tell her to give me my 10% cut.
That, you get you
She's
already
collecting on money. Let me cast you years. I'm not doing my 10%. I'm joking.
Love you.
Man's got shoot.
Alright, baby. I feel like I never show my cooking skills on this channel. I never ever show my cooking skills on this channel.
I did really.
But I can throw it down. I can chef it up. But you know, I'm not gonna do that because my kitchen is just a bit
weak.
I mean, it's not bad. It has everything that it needs to have. You know what? Maybe one day I'll just fuck it because everything doesn't have to be aesthetically pleasing. I mean, everything does not have to be like cute or nice. Like my room, for instance, there are things on the bed. You know, it's not like perfect, which that's real life. Real life is not perfect. So maybe one day I would just say, you know what, all, and throw it down in the kitchen, in my very unaesthetically pleasing looking kitchen. But for now, I'm gonna show you guys the creamy pasta that I made. I made it last night actually. So I'm just going to have some leftovers and go check on my laundry. So I'll be right back and I'll show you guys the creamy pasta.
I don't think you should. Anyways, I'm gonna.
Oh, what the hell. Back to default mode. I don't know who I was trying to fool. Anyway, I just thought to come end this vlog. I feel like I'm in such a good mood today. You can tell I'm doing laundry. I only do laundry when I'm in a good mood. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I feel like the ending of my vlogs where I just have a little chit chat and banter with you guys has to be my favorite part of my vlog actually, because then I feel like I am mixing. I apologize. You forgot something in the airport. Bye again. just coming here and talking to you guys, and obviously telling you guys to subscribe and like this video, drop your comments in the comment section, share this video as well, share it with your friends. Stop keeping this awesomeness to yourself. Your friends might like me too. They will like me too, okay? So share it with them as well. Hello. Back! Hello jammed the door and scared me. I thought someone else entered the house. It's ready to go fight. But before I go, I just wanted to say a quick shout out to, a lot of you guys who always watch my vlogs. So today's shout out would be for Grace Gigi. I see you, babe. Love you. Rhoda Olufisayo, babes. Thank you for all your comments, all your support. Sonia John, girl, I love you. I love how you just comment as you watch. In fact, there are a lot of people, and I feel like I would start doing this in my vlogs. Just quickly say a quick shout out to some people. I mean, so if I don't mention your name this week, I would next week, okay? Not to say that I don't see you, not to say that I don't appreciate you. We'll be doing it, once like that. So today's shout out is for those three people: Grace Gigi, Rhoda Olufisayo, and Sonia John. Oluwa Fisayo. I really like pronouncing people's names right. So Oluwa Fisinuayomi. Yes, girl. Thank you so much. All of you who constantly watch, comment, like, share, DM me, support me. I love you from the bottom of my heart. And yes, I would do this constantly because you guys mean so much to me, more than you know. And on that note, I am going to end this vlog, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Love you.